Do you want to get pre-made store website like this? Or any other niche high-quality website like dropshipping, courses, business, personal brand and much more? Or hosting, plugins, themes or any support how to build your first website? Visit mmolearn.com. We have everything you need. Now let's go ahead and create and add pages to WordPress in couple minutes. Go to Pages window. Here we have all our website pages we can create and edit. Let's create new page. Name your page, publish, and edit with builder you have. Elementor is one of the most popular drag and drop builder, but this time we gonna use theme built-in builder. As you can see, we have stock footer and header of the theme, but our middle is empty, which we must fill with our builder. This is same page, it's just built with bunch of drag and drop sections, added images and edited texts, that's all. Let's try to add couple sections and see how it works real fast. Pick any section you need and just drag and drop. If you want more than one section, you have selection to add more in the same line. Let's add our new page to the main menu. Go to Appearances, Customize Theme. Now go to Menus, Categories, Menus, press Add Items and you will have huge selection of options to choose from. Let's choose the page we just built. As you can see, it got added to our main menu. Don't forget, all pages are in Pages window. You can edit and create new pages here. Please drop a like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorial videos.